A person is sitting on the table. The typewriter is open in front of it. There are some ideas in his mind. He put paper in typewriter and started to hit fingers on the keyboard according to his mind. His mental thought suddenly became an event. In front of the keywords started printing on the paper. Even all his words come on the paper. The man was happy that whatever he wanted, it was on the paper. But man's bad luck was that the world in which he was present was not a typewriter. The way he made his mind an event on a typewriter's paper, he couldn't make his mind an event in the world of reality. To print the words of his choice on the paper, it was enough to hit fingers on the keyboard only. In the world of reality, there is a need for a long and thoughtful struggle to create an event as an event, not just as a typist to trigger the fingers. The result is obvious. The typewriter was completely deprived of the world of action, while in the world of words, apparently he had achieved everything. This is a matter of illusion for us, but it is an event that the world is not a typewriter for us. And we are not any typist that just we hit our fingers on typewriter to print anything we want. This is a world of serious facts, and by adapting the facts we can find something here for ourselves.